and gentlemen, today I'm in Hà Tĩnh to try bánh canh ghẹ. So you know that Hà Tĩnh is a place that has a diverse levels of seafood, fresh food, beautiful. And today on my hand is a bowl of bánh canh ghẹ, fresh crab with delicious bánh canh. You can see the flowers. She's made it by the machine, of course, but the shapes look very different as you can see. And let's try the flavors first.
Wow.
That looks so beautiful. Wow. You cannot imagine how good it is because you cannot even describe it by words.
Có chả cá nữa nè.
Really? See that? Okay, so you can see around me, this is the places that she's decorate the food that she's going to play this on the ball. You can see around me, behind me, yeah, look at that. I think it's like a secret gem in the south of Vietnam. So if you have a trip to Ha Tinh, must try this place. You can see, this is her place. Must be this guy. This is amazing.